Yeah, we got a new thermostat for this cooler. About to get busy. Yes, we got these old faulty evaporator fans. And yes, we have what you call this old faulty thermostat. Shame on the last technician that work in the system. And yes, we got brand new fans. Brand new fans. Actually had to make this bracket to accommodate with the fans. You know what I mean? Due to the fact these are the stock at the store, so you know what I mean? Had to make my own homemade bracket. Some piece of sheet metal and use some universal 115 evaporator fans. Now we're gonna put this shit all together. Hodge is the building. Put all the shit together. I'm the building guy, Harry. You reach back, Harry? Yeah. You say you gotta walk? You gotta walk. It's Hodge is back in the building. You know what I mean?